What's up everybody, this is Kent. I'm back with another video. Wanted to do this video because I am getting my left and right side repeater cameras replaced. And let me explain. Tesla a while ago introduced a software update where you can view your blind spots whenever you turn on your turn signals. Let me show you right quick what I'm talking about. Whenever you turn on your turn signals at night, how it looks. As you can see right there, it is some type of purple hue. Whenever the turn signal on the side repeater lights up, you will see this purple hue that is bleeding through the camera lens. It's very irritating to me. It's not a huge problem, but I wanted to get it replaced. That's what I'm going to do. So I kind of saw online other places where you can now get those side repeater cameras replaced where you won't get the pass through of the light through the camera lens and produce that purple pinkish type hue. And the darker it is, the worse it looks. When you're in more light, it's not as bad. And I'll kind of show you how that looks with not a lot of light. So the next thing I did was set a service appointment with Tesla, asking could I get them upgraded so I don't have that. I'll kind of show you right here. I'll have the cell phone somewhere. I set a service appointment asking them could I do it. I kind of knew the price from what I saw online, which wasn't too bad. It's around $150 per camera. So I was very excited. I got an appointment for like a week later on February the 20th around like 10:45 a.m. I believe. And I submitted it. They approved it with the estimate and then offered to do mobile service. I was a little skeptical at first because I was like, well, I live 70 miles away from the service center, the nearest one. So they would probably push that out to March sometimes. And that's what happened. So I messaged them back and said, hey, that won't work for me. Can I get my original appointment that I set up before on February the 20th at 10:45 a.m. They messaged me back and said, hey, something opened up and February 20th is available now at 10 a.m. So I'm recording this video right here, right now, before I go in the morning to get these cameras replaced. So you kind of see how they are right now, and it should not be that way. And if you're going to keep your car a long time like myself, then this might be in your budget. So I guess just wish me luck. Okay, so we're done. It's 11:12. I'm walking out. So it took about an hour. I took my time, but that baby's ready to go. I'm sure the cameras look the same. I think I took a picture before. All right. They gave me a little thank you note just saying thank you for trusting the Tucson Tesla team with your service needs today. Please take a moment to complete a survey once it becomes available in your Tesla app to let us know how we did. That's pretty cool. I'm back the next day. You made it to the end of the video and you're probably wondering if I would recommend this. Only if you are keeping your car long term, not trading in all the time. It's just a waste of money. If you're going to buy one in a year or 6 months, you're going to get the probably hardware 4 system, which probably will look way better. Is the quality better? No, it's pretty much still the same. It just to solve that issue with the blind spot upgrade that we got, where we can see the blind spot when the camera turns on and is activated. You want to do this yourself? I think you can. I think I've seen whenever this new update for the blind spot cameras came into effect, I think people were putting like tape or something somewhere over the sensor where it did not shine through, and then it looks pretty much like my new ones look right now. I think Tesla can do it. I think they were doing it for free there for a while when people were complaining. Is that the case now? I really don't know. You need to call them, and you might can just get it free if you complain enough. I didn't think to complain. One thing I forgot, I wanted to keep the old ones. I don't know if they would have gave them to me, but I paid for them, right? They should, but it is what it is. This YouTube can. See you in the next video.